welcome back. It's concrete framing today, so I have already put in a lot of the internal supports. I'm today going to cut out the 18mm plywood that's going to drop in here, and that's going to form the base, and then we just need to run a 200mm board all the way around the sides. So far for the framework, I'm using these 38mm by 63mm CLS sort of framing wood. I'm bolting those in using these M12 60mm bolts. They seem to be rock solid, so happy with them. For the outside ones, I'm going to use some M10s by 50mm. So I'll get the time lapse set up and off we go. Whoever said measure twice, cut once, come and have a look at this. Eyeballed this one in. Look at that. That is amazing. So we've got 3 pieces in now. This one I just put a board on and then drew round underneath. Used a jigsaw, circular saw, and it's just slotted in perfectly. I just need to reinforce it underneath, and one more piece to do. 2 more pieces actually. We've got the little one at the back here, and then one to go across the front. For the baseboard, I have used, let's have a look there, 18mm plywood. This is a big 2.4 meters by 1.2 meter sheet that I've had cut down into 4 quarters. Another sheet cut down into 200mm lengths. That's going to be for the side. That's all the boards done now. I've marked on these little marks just so I know where the bolts are, so when I'm screwing down from the top I can avoid those. I think before I fix these down permanently, I should angle grind these down just with all the sparks that I want to. Last job to do is to oil the form. I'm just using some old chip fat oil. Any oil will do. Just lightly put it on. Make sure you only put it on the wood, don't put it on the concrete, and that should just help the concrete separate from the form once it's set. Finally, just fill in those little tiny gaps with a bit of silicone and just stop the slurry from running onto your brickwork. And that's it, all done. In the next video we'll be setting up the rebar and making sure we've got everything ready for the concrete pour. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and then you'll be notified when the next video is ready. Hopefully I'll get that done in the next week and we should be good then to build the oven.